Hey guys, so today we are doing our Enhancement 3 lab for the CIT336 class. And so today we were making a registration page, we were making a login page, and connecting all of those to a controller. So here is our code. This is the controller, the accounts controller. And so you can see that when we have any one of these actions, depending on what it is, it'll take us directly to that page. So this is our login page with our form that has the form for logging in. And then our action here takes us to the registration if we are not a member. And so this is our registration page and our form for that. Okay, and then our home page, obviously. And again, if I clicked on that My Account button up at the top left, it will use that action of login and take us directly to the login page. So to view this is that home page of ours. And if I clicked on My Account, it would take us to the login page. And then if I clicked on the not a member yet, if I clicked on join us, it takes us to the action of registration and takes us to that registration page. And then showing the HTML and CSS check, there's no error for the login and no error for the registration, and luckily no error in our CSS. Okay, that's everything I believe for this assessment and this enhancement. And and right here in our home, we see our echo for the nav list that shows that dynamic navigation bar. All right, thank you so much. Please let me know if there's anything that I can improve on. So thank you.